Today, babe, I'm thinking back. Yesterday, hummed in gospel tones. I crooned like we used to do under streetlights in front of AJ's liquor store. Way past bedtime, humming for nickels to buy brand new shoes, humming in tune. Oh boy, slow it down, I was chasing time. Would I, should I, why? I couldn't get out there fast enough. Yesterday I saw no end, I hummed on. Oh yeah. Here I stand, today staring at yesterday's lights, happy, remembering what old folks said, and it's still true. Oh boy, slow it down, I was chasing time. Would I, should I, why? I couldn't get out there fast enough. Sing me home, sing me home, sing me home. Yesterday, yesterday, oh, 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 yesterday. You're so good, so good, oh so good, oh so good, oh so good. A true name is wonderful. So good, oh so good, so good. In classic street corner, gospel harmony. Yesterday, here I am, in four-part harmonic harmony. Harmony, it's alright. Oh boy, slow it down, I was chasing time. Would I, should I, why? I couldn't get out there fast enough. In the highest key they sang, earn your keep, don't let it keep you. Yesterday I saw no end, today is oh so good. Good, 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 oh so, so good. Slow it down, let the corner choir sing me home.